Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So remember, this is not a financial video. Can CEO, my friend, especially personally, not message me to please make a video about Polygon promotion, absolutely like this, etc., etc. But definitely, this is just an only, my friend, I will advise. This is just advice video for all my viewers, my subscriber. And if you are new my channel, just now subscribe the channel, man. Whatever you didn't click out the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Just complete 20,000 subscribers, and definitely I will start a giveaways of Polygon, etc. Every coin, my friend. Absolutely, ABSA channel will give you the new alts coin and absolutely the trending, the viral, the best coin, my friends, for trending and for earning. Absolutely, ABSA channel will give you advice, everything, especially production videos. So kindly, you need to subscribe this channel. How man, you need to subscribe this channel, please. All right. Come to the point, my brother. In this video, I will give you something very secret information about Polygon coin. But definitely, this is just an all, my friend, advice, not a financial video. So remember to in last 1 month, my brother, as you can see, 97.97% they will get a profit. I think this is very huge profit, my brother, and definitely just in only in August, my friend, Polygon will wake up. Otherwise, in previous month, my brother, definitely altcoin were very badly falls down. So therefore, Polygon was also very badly falls down. So especially in July, my brother, altcoin were very badly falls down. But a Polygon in this month absolutely is very lucky for all holder, my brothers. So they will move upward, especially for me, my brother. It's a very good because in July I invest, and definitely in July when they will very badly falls down. So if you check out my July videos, so definitely you will better understand. I am also very shocked to what I need to do. I am going to lost now. I think, my friends, I will fails down. July were fails down, I think, from 1.5 USD dollar to I think something 0.8 USD dollar. But I cannot starting selling. Definitely I will hold, and those days, because, my brother, you know, I will lose now 8,000 to 15,000 USD dollar, my brother. But I cannot sell it, and today I also hold now. So therefore, I will advise just in only I note this, my friend, and my previous videos too. If I wait for a good time, so definitely they will give me a bad result. But if I wait just in only, my friends, for a long time, so definitely they will give me a good profit. So therefore, I can't expect, my brothers, to Polygon will moving upward. But definitely there is no option to I will sell, because I will lose now 8 to 15,000 USD dollar. So therefore there is no chance to I will sell, because I am going to lose now. So therefore I will note this, my friend, in my previous days too. Definitely we need to wait for a not good time. We need to wait for a long time. So thanks for watching my Polygon holder. To you will listen my advice, my voice. Please, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Absolutely, basic channel will give you advice and something, my friend, special opinion now. So, my brother, the current condition is going to be very good now. The price come to 1.52 USD dollar again. Now I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and I'm waiting for more a good time, for a long time. Today will give me 2 USD dollar to 3 USD dollar. But absolutely, if you also wait, so I will give you guarantee they will give you a profit now. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. I'm 100% sure they will give you a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please like and subscribe channel.